meant that it is possible to have square root of a negative number, but it involved using a new number I which is equal to the square root of negative 1. These numbers are called imaginary numbers and could be of the form bi, where b is a real number and I is equal to square root of negative 1. Numbers like I, 2i, negative 4i are all imaginary numbers. What if we have a number like 3 plus 7i? Will this be an imaginary number? Well, we can be sure that this part of the number is imaginary and this part is a real number. So this is a mix of real and imaginary parts. And this is what we call an example of a complex number. Real plus imaginary gives us a complex number. It's of the form a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers and I is the unit imaginary number. Now let's play around with this basic form. Observe that when a is equal to 0, what is left will be an imaginary number. And when b is equal to 0, we only have a real number. So what are the real and imaginary parts in the basic form of a complex number? A is called the real part and bi is called the imaginary part.